In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to counter in Untitled boxing game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. You will be able to counter your opponent by connecting a punch as soon as they start throwing out a punch of their own. So, in order to counter, as you can see here when I'm demonstrating it with this dummy, all that you have to do is connect a punch as soon as they throw out their punch instead. So the counter is going to be achieved when you hit an opponent player during their highlight. So usually this is going to be the moment that they show a bright color indicating that they are going to start a punch. Of course, this timing is going to differ per opponent, and you need to connect your punch as soon as they are highlighted. As you can see here, I'm doing it too early, so I'm not getting a counter. So I'm just going to let the dummy sit around for a while and see if he attacks once again. If he does, I'll be able to try to time my punch so I get a counter. As you can see here, I was too late, so it takes a lot of practice to get it consistently, and of course, because you might be up against real opponents, the timing is going to be all over the place. So, while you can practice this, it's usually going to come down to reading someone and trying to punch ahead of time. As you can see here, when you do get a counter, you get a message at the bottom left corner of the screen notifying you that you got the counter timing down. Countering someone is going to make them take more damage by the attack than if they were just hit normally, and the increase in damage varies depending on the style that you have. You can explore the difference in damage by going over to the wiki, but regardless of the style, it's always great to try to get those counters in, so try to pay attention to your opponent's timing and try to learn from their attack pattern. You will be able to connect punches right as they throw out punches of their own to get counters, and this works for both M1 and M2 punches. I hope I was able to help you on how to counter in Untitled boxing game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.